Yes, so my correct pipu, I don bring another ogbonge and legitimate informate wey I go like share give all of una. Know say Philip Shaibu now dey yarn say im impeachment say na illegal something and e don carry the matter go court. And court now don fix date to hear Philip Shaibu suit wey im arrange against the Edo State Assembly and others dem. Meanwhile, after all the gree, after all the gra, after all the going up and down for inside court, finally my correct person, you see the Lagos State Special Offences Court dem don grant the former Central Bank Governor wey be Godwin Emefiele bail of 50 million naira after dem don charge am with 26 count charge on the abuse of office and irregular allocation of $4.5 billion and 2.8 billion naira. Before I proceed onto the matter, I wan first welcome you back to Anointed Lady TV. You know very well say for inside dis channel we dey like give only ogbonge and legitimate news wey dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, make you try go subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news dey come, you dey get the update sharp. Anyhow the koko be for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Alright, my correct person, back to the koko of the hour. You know say I bin don give you report before na say the Lagos State Court dem send Godwin Emefiele back to the custody of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission wey be EFCC, while dem come send im co-defendant wey be Henry go prison. But as I'm talking to you right now, dem don grant am bail of 50 million naira and dem admit am to bail with two sureties in like sum by Justice Rahmon Oshodi on Friday. No be small koko, my correct person. You know say Justice Rahman Oshodi he make this remand order just after the anti-graft agency dem don plaster Godwin Emefiele with 26 count charges dem on abuse of office, accepting gratifications, corrupt demand, receiving properties wey dem use fraud take obtain and conferring corrupt advantage. Now based on all these charges dem now the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission wey be EFCC dem come dey yarn say he now dey abuse im office while im be CBN governor through the alleged allocations of $4.5 billion and 2.8 billion naira. But however, my correct person, for inside the ruling of Rahman Oshodi, im come dey yarn say the sureties dem must dey employed and dem must don pay 3 years tax of the Lagos state government. Im come still order say the sureties dem must show proper identification and dem must dey registered for inside Lagos State Bail Management System. And my correct person, you know say I bin don give you reports about the last time wey Godwin Emefiele he show up for inside court. Na that time dem come dey apply for bail. Godwin Emefiele lawyer now come dey yarn dey give the judge say you know say Godwin Emefiele now e no get any time wey im don default. Anytime wey the EFCC or the court dem call for am, im dey like come answer. He never give anybody reason say im go escape or im go run, you understand? So make the court try grant am bail. Even though the money na 50 million and he must come with two sureties, and those sureties they must dey employed and they don pay their tax for 3 years according to how they take yarn for inside the court. I know say him now he no go too stress about am because this bail na something wey go give am joy. The judge now come still dey yarn say dem dey very satisfied with the bail conditions of 1 million naira wey dem don give Mr. Godwin Emefiele co-defendant wey be Henry Isioma, wey be say he now dey stand another charge before Justice Olufunke Sule Hamzat for inside the Yaba division of Lagos State High Court. And him before dem bin send am go prison. Then the judge come round up on the matter when he come dey yarn say dem must transfer the bail documents to the Special Offences Court and e must dey registered for inside the LSBMS. So na so the koko be like, my correct person. Anyhow the thing be for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. As this update just land, many of our country people dey come dey yarn things and things, good and bad, no be small thing. Some come dey yarn say Godwin Emefiele say that bail amount wey dem give am e too small o. Say on the charges wey dem drop for am wey be billions of naira and dollars, dem suppose to give am bail of like 2 billion naira or $2 billion so that im body go calm down. Why some come dey yarn say dem dey very happy for am say last this court matter e don finish because of say the bail e don come board. Why some country people come dey yarn say e no deserve to get bail though, say this bail thing na pasha, say make dem no give am bail anything, say if na so after dem bail am, say make DSS bring another count charge come knack for im head, say im own too much upon all the suffer wey im put Nigerian people through, say make him too im experience some kind suffer. Then most of the country people dey come dey yarn say the court wey dey for inside the country Nigeria and the federal government dem don dey adopt the lifestyle of wayo, say mago e don too much. Say why they go rush go give Godwin Emefiele bail when Nnamdi Kanu now don dey fight for im own right since how many years ago, and dem never wan give am bail, say e no good at all at all, e no make sense. Say as dem take give Godwin Emefiele bail, make dem still use dat same eye take give Nnamdi Kanu bail too. And why dem go give Godwin Emefiele bail of 50 million come give im co-defendant wey be Henry bail of 1 million naira? Say the thing no make sense. Meanwhile, the Federal High Court wey dey for inside Abuja, e don fix April 19 to hear the suit wey be say the impeached deputy governor of Edo State wey be Philip Shaibu file against the State House of Assembly and others dem. And you see this particular matter, my correct person, na on Friday na dem fix am for hearing after a team of lawyers now including Alex Ejezieme e don show up to seek dates for the case, and dem come bring am before Justice Inyang Eku. Although this particular suit they don mark am with FHC/ABJ/CS/405/24, but dem no come list am join the cause list. But the lawyers now wey come for defence dem come court. Na just after the judge now come rise, one of the lawyers come dey tell Justice Eko say the matter wey dem schedule to hear on Thursday, but due to public holiday now the court no come sit. So in obedience to the court now, dem don come na here dem be o. Now the Justice Eko come dey yarn say e no ready now to come dey preside over matter wey no even dey for file, but instead im come direct dem make dem go liaise with the court registrar for the next adjourned date. So now the matter they don fix am for April 19, and that time now they go come do the proper hearing. And my correct person, you know sir, we don give you report on how the Edo State Assembly dem take remove Philip Shaibu last week, and before dem remove am na so dem dey invite the man to come court, but he didn't agree appear before the impeachment e come board. Now the former deputy governor don dey yarn say the impeachment say na illegal something, and he say im go make sure say im redress this matter for inside court. And my correct person, you know very well say the seat of deputy governor e no get any time wey dem go leave am vacant. Sharp sharp na Obaseki come put new deputy governor, and the new deputy governor now im dey very very proud say im dey answer deputy governor. He say he no care about the kwata wey don happen between Philip Shaibu and Obaseki. Say that one e no be im business at all at all. So far say dem dey call am deputy governor, e dey alright with am, and he still dey yarn say he no go follow Obaseki drag power at all at all. And he know very well say the ten ure e go soon finish, but he say to him e be like 6 years, and no be about the years or the month sef, say na about the service wey he go render to the people. This na wetin Omobayo Godwin come dey yarn as they appoint am the new deputy governor. So my correct person, how you see this matter? Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know very well say this na Anointed Lady TV, where we dey like give you only ogbonge and legitimate news wey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, make you try go subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news dey come, my correct person, you dey get the update sharp sharp. And make you try to share the news to your family and friends so that them too they go get updates on wetin dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. I dey bring another news for you, my correct person. No go anywhere.